Around the world, people are awakening to the understanding that clean air and a clean home aren't just a matter of comfort. They're essential to human health. That's creating unprecedented consumer demand and an exciting opportunity. Rainbow distributors around the world are looking for energetic, enthusiastic people to fill a variety of roles. We know that the people who know the rainbow best and who believe in it the most are rainbow customers, people just like you. The rainbow representative in your home right now is one of the tens of thousands of people around the world who are taking charge of their careers and creating their own success stories. And chances are that they started their career just as you can, as a satisfied rainbow customer. You don't need previous experience. You'll receive comprehensive training from experienced professionals, plus tools and ongoing support to drive your success. This is your opportunity to join the global rainbow team and to start creating a more abundant lifestyle for yourself and your family. Your rainbow representative will be happy to help you get started. So get ready for success with Rainbow.